Hi everybody, this is Logan and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this really cute rainbow chrome. This will not be a full tutorial, I just wanted to focus on how to apply chrome and I thought this would be a fun way to show you guys. So I will brief on how I prepped for this mani beforehand. I went in with our dip liquid set and I applied 2 dips of Jazzy, clear encapsulation, buff filed, all that good stuff, and then I did go ahead and gel top coat. For Little Black Dress, I did 2 dips of Little Black Dress, activated, buffed and filed, everything smooth for the chrome application. So I am going in with 6 of our chromes. We have 15 in our full line, but today I will only be using 6. The top row on one nail and the bottom row on the other nail to make one cohesive rainbow. So I will say it is super important to make sure your black is as smooth as possible before going in with your gel top coat. The chrome is going to pick up every little imperfection, so as smooth as you can get it, the better your chrome is going to turn out. For the gel top coat, it does need to be a tack-free or no wipe formula. So I'm just going in here. Again, I'm trying to get a really smooth and even coat just so the chrome's not going to pick up, any lumps or bumps and stuff like that. So. Once you're happy with your application, you are going to flash cure these for 15 seconds. This may vary with your lamp. I'm using our diamond nail lamp. Now I'm going in first with C3 Sultry. It's a pretty red. All my applicators here. If you don't have an applicator, you could use your finger or like a sponge, but all of our chromes come with these little applicators. I'm going to take the small side of the applicator and I'm just barely going to pick up any product. This goes such a long way, so when I say barely, I mean I'm barely tapping onto this powder. Now I'm going to go right in on the side of the nail and just start rubbing this chrome powder on. Trying to keep a pretty straight line, and I don't want this to go further than like 1/3 of the nail since I will be applying 2 other chromes to the same nail. So you don't want to apply this too far and then you're not going to have enough room to apply your next 2 colors. Just going to go right in with C2 Sweltering. Tiny bit on my little applicator here. And I'm going to focus this on the center of the nail. I am slightly overlapping where this red was, just to kind of blend that in just a tiny bit. You don't want to go over the red because we have not cured this or anything. Here I'm taking the clean side of my applicator and just kind of wiping off the excess powder. Now I'm going again right in with C9 the crown, a tiny bit on the applicator, this time focusing on the opposite side of the nail. When you're doing your gel top coat, you do want to make sure that you're covering every part of the underneath the black. As you can see here, there's like a tiny line of black that did not get covered with the chrome, and that's just where my gel top coat didn't cover that area. Which it's fine, it still looks good. I wasn't too worried about it, so I did not opt to fix that. Just something to keep in mind. So now that you have applied the chrome to your full nail, you are going to go in and cure this fully. I did 60 seconds. Take a fluffy nail brush and dust off any excess powder. Now I'm going in with my gel again, just trying to get this as smooth and as even as possible, and trying to make sure I don't miss any of those little spots this time over the black. I will mention this is going to be the same application if you're just going to use, like one color chrome. You would just rub it on the full nail instead of only doing it in small sections. It will be the same process. Wipe any of the gel that may have got on your skin. Make sure you wipe it off before curing. And again, I'm going to flash cure this for 15 seconds. Okay, now I'm going in with my green C8 Prickly. I'm going to take a small amount on the applicator, and again, I'm starting closest to the skin in 1/3 sections. So I did want this to be like a cohesive rainbow look, so I'm going in with the green where it will pair closest with the yellow on the other nail. Of course, you can do whatever colors you would like for this chrome method. You could really just play with it and switch it up. Now I'm going in with my blue C15 Majesty, focusing this again on the center of the nail. Make sure you leave 1/3 on the other side for your purple. And I'm just going to barely overlap with the green. For some reason, my chromes didn't apply quite as well on this finger. I think maybe I over-cured or under-cured on my lamp. Not sure how that happened. It still applied well, but you can see that the texture is a little bit more grainy and it didn't blend quite as smooth as the first nail. I think it's also possible that my gel top coat got applied a little thicker on that nail, so it needed an additional maybe 1 to 2 seconds. So just keep that in mind. So now I'm going in with my purple C14 Imperial and applying this to the remaining part of the nail. Once you get the chrome applied to your full nail and you are happy with how it looks, you're going to cure this for a full 60 seconds. Now that that has fully cured, you're going to go in with a fluffy nail brush and just really get all that excess chrome powder off of the nail. Now I'm just going in and applying my gel top coat to protect the chrome from chipping, making sure to cover all of the chrome, try to keep it off the skin. Really making sure it's a nice smooth application. If you get anything around the skin or cuticle, just go in and clean that up before curing. And I will apply the gel to the other nail as well. I'm going to speed that up a bit. Once you have your gel top coat applied, you're going to cure for a full 60 seconds. After everything is cured, I'm going to go in and wipe everything off with a lint-free wipe and alcohol. I'm just getting all the extra chrome powder off of my skin and cleaning everything up so I can go in with my Cuticle Balm. I'm using What's the Scoop, which is a Cuticle Balm by Scales of a Mermaid, and I absolutely love this scent, like all of her others. It smells like sherbet, or it reminds me of those orange dreamsicle popsicles that I used to get as a kid from the ice cream man. So I really, really love this scent. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful to some of you in how to apply the chrome powder. If you have any questions, please just drop them in the comments below. I will also attach a few clips and pictures here at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.